boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. This one is DAX, the song To Be a Man. So a song to all men out there and how it could be with working hard and responsibilities and all that. So to be a man, let's take a look at this song. We have 4 different chords here, and we will take a look at the chords first. No need for any cape on this one. We'll work a lot with bar chords here. So let's start with the B. That's a bar chord here, a bar placed on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and you can go with 4th on B, or like me, I'm lazy, I just stick with this grip. It's a sus version of it. It works either way with this B or this B. Alright, the next chord will be F sharp. And you will stay with the bar here on the 2nd fret. This time you bar all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on B. G. Sorry. So there we have it. 3rd on G, nothing else. Next chord will be the G sharp minor, and we have a bar chord here on the 4th fret now with this bar. Still over all strings, and the rest will be 6 on A and 6 on D. And the final chord will be an E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We will start with the B chord there, since that is the 1st chord. And one round will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. So we can start with the first part, the down, down, up, clap, down. Alright, so down, down, up, clap, down. And then you have a short pause after this final down there, and then comes the second part, which is down, clap, down. That's it. So like that. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be that is 1 round. Alright, so the entire song will be almost played in the same way, except from one bridge part later. But you will have this chord progression: B, F sharp, G sharp minor, and the E. You're gonna play 1 strumming round per chord. So like this. F sharp, G sharp, and E. It goes like this, round and round. Then we have just one exception from this. It's in the bridge part. It starts about 2 minutes and 35 seconds into the song, and you will play E 1 round and F sharp 1 round. You're going back and forth for 2 rounds like this. So E1, F sharp 1, E1, F sharp 1, and then you go back to your standard chord progression: B, F sharp, G sharp, and E. So the bridge part was E, sharp, back to E, and F sharp. And now you start with B, and go back to the standard chord version. And so on. And that pretty much covered DAX, To Be a Man. So good luck with this one, and I hope to see you very soon again. Until then, stay tuned.